Importance of supply networks. Hello, everyone, and welcome. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of global supply chains and explore how they function. We'll discuss the importance of supply networks and uncover the complexities of modern logistics systems. I'll also provide key definitions and outline the objectives of a modern supply network. Historical perspective. To understand the roots of our modern supply chain, let's go back to 1776 when Adam Smith published his groundbreaking work, An Inquiry into the Nature and Causes of the Wealth of Nations. In this book, he emphasized the power of people working together to manufacture goods more efficiently. Smith famously used the example of pin manufacturing, where a team of individuals specializing in different tasks could produce a staggering number of pins compared to a single person working alone. Specialization and collaboration. Imagine making a pin. You'd have various steps, from drawing out iron into wire, straightening and cutting it, sharpening one end, attaching a head, and making the pin bright and shiny. Adam Smith highlighted that there were 18 distinct jobs to be done, and a team of about 10 people could complete them effectively. This specialization in tasks revolutionized productivity, making the supply of pins more abundant and affordable. Complex products. Now, while pins are relatively simple products, many items we use today are far more complex. Take a car, for example. When you order one, you're essentially requesting a multitude of components to come together. Car manufacturers have direct control over some components, but many are sourced from various suppliers worldwide. The supply chain network. As products become more intricate, the supply chain evolves into a complex network involving multiple suppliers, manufacturers, and logistical challenges. This complexity is not exclusive to the automotive industry but extends to virtually every product we buy. Competitive supply chains. In today's business landscape, competition isn't just between companies, it's also between supply chains. Companies often compete for sources of supply, forming partnerships and networks that span the globe. Collaboration and specialization play a crucial role in optimizing the supply chain. Defining the supply chain. So, what exactly is the supply chain? It's not just a linear chain but a complex web of suppliers, sub-assemblers, manufacturers, distributors, and logistics providers. This intricate network ensures that products reach consumers efficiently and cost-effectively. The role of logistics. In addition to the supply chain, logistics is a vital component. It involves planning, implementing, and controlling the efficient flow of materials, inventory, finished goods, and information from origin to consumption. The modern logistics network is intricate and plays a critical role in our global economy. Characteristics of an effective supply chain. An effective supply chain should deliver quality, flexibility, dependability, speed, and low cost. However, finding the right balance among these objectives can be a challenge. Each business must tailor its supply chain strategy to meet market demands. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the global supply chain. In the coming weeks, we'll delve even deeper into various aspects of this complex system, including transportation and supply chain strategy. Stay tuned for more valuable insights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. See you next time.